Hey guys, how y'all doing? If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole. I have Crown Queens. That's me. I've been MIA for a while, so I do apologize. So please excuse this video, you guys. It's going to be a little different than my other videos I normally do, but I wanted to make sure I at least start putting some stuff out for you. This particular video, as y'all saw, the beginning clip is missing, and that is because I had some technical difficulties that I could not get over. So basically, I needed to do a slick ponytail. And when doing a slick ponytail, as you guys can see, I have really thick hair. So I do my ponytails in sections. A lot of people only do like 2 or 3 sections. I do a lot of sections. I need it to lay down. I do use at that particular time, I was using the Eco Gel. I do not use the Wet Line Gel whenever I am doing a slick back ponytail. I feel like the Eco works a little bit better as far as a hold is concerned with a ponytail. I go through with some water, I dampen it out, and I put gel, okay? I also use, that is a hard bristle brush. It is not a soft bristle brush. Bristle? Now I can't talk. Lord have mercy. It's not a soft bristle brush. It is a hard bristle brush. I need it to lay as flat as possible. For this particular thing, I was going to a Kentucky Derby themed baby shower. And if y'all have ever heard of the Kentucky Derby, it's really prissy, and everybody who was there is primarily Caucasian, so I needed to be able to have the slick back so I can fit my little cute little hat on top of my head, my little teacup hat, that you guys will see later in the video. So as you guys can see, I already finished the other side and laid my edges. I am going to do another video on how I laid my edges so that you guys can see how I do that. But the most important thing is to wet your hair but not soak it. You want to just dampen it enough to where you can comb and brush it through. I was brushing until I couldn't brush anymore. As you guys can see, my curls were like really popping despite the brush manipulation, and they were clumped like it wasn't nobody's business. So it was really nice to see the effect on my hair. But I just added some more gel up in there. I made sure that it was slicked down as much as possible, and brush. The key to a slick down ponytail, guys, is a hard bristle brush. You just brush until you can't brush anymore. That is the key to the whole entire thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that my edges are down. I was gonna slick them edges, but as y'all see, it was a fail and I was getting aggravated. So I decided to say, forget it. Just let these things be what they're gonna be. Just lay it down flat. My other side has a good amount of edges. I was gonna wave it out, but y'all, I was in a rush and I still had makeup to put on. So now that I have it all slicked back, I undid the ponytail that's holding the rest of the hair down. And at that time I was using a regular size ponytail. I upped it to a bigger ponytail that has just a little bit more give. Put it all together, you guys. Make sure it's good and slick in the back. Nice and tight, and go for the ponytail. So this works for me every single time I do a ponytail. It's the least amount of product that I feel like I have to use. Just want to make sure your edges are where they're supposed to be, and it gives you a really good amount of shine. So I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright, so I've got myself all the way ready. It's like a Kentucky Derby theme, you guys, so pretty much like the picture I sent you. I'm not going all out like that. I did a little bit, but not a lot. Jay, give me my purple hat. Alright, as y'all can see, this hair is laid. This ponytail is laid, slayed. And okay, don't y'all judge me. Okay. Oh, it broke. The stupid thing broke. Oh no. we're gonna use some bobby pins. Instead. Let's see if I can pin the hat to the hair. All right, y'all. Finished look. Finished pony. Slay. Slay. Y'all. All right. So, as y'all can see, that's the way to do it. I'm finna go to my little Kentucky Derby thing and be Kentucky Derby-ish. Wish me luck. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my channel and checking out how to do your slick back ponytail. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't be afraid to share because we need you to share it so I can keep bringing you guys good content such as this. Get that, look at that. So thank you so much. Peace, love to all of you guys. Mwah.